Hello, today I'm going to try to make the mug tree. So I'm going to use the pine for it because I've got a few offcuts around here and I'm still on the stage ish what I try to build stuff from the material that I already got in the garage. I glue up some panels, well, not panels, like wooden beams or stuff like that, and now I'm going to cut this to the size it down, plane it, thickness it to make one square beam, and then hopefully sounds easy project. And after I will have the main beam, it's need to be cut to the length, drill the holes for big dowels, what will be like branches, what the mugs will be hanging on it, and make the base. And basically that is it. So it sounds simple, but I will find out if I can handle it with some simple stuff. So that's the try for today. Just please watch and hopefully you will like it. Crack on with it. So as I mentioned, I need to prepare first the beam. My extractor is set up. So meter saw, and cut this. Come on. What's happening here? What's going on? Okay, so first I need to chop this off. Now I need to set up the plane thicknesser, where it's quite annoying job in small garage. It could be done. So after some planing and putting through the thicknesser, I've got square section what is, I thought would be 70 by 70 millimeters. So it's 7 by 7, but it's 6.5 centimeter by 6.5 centimeter. So that should be enough. I've got some kind dowels, so that should be enough to hold it. Now I need to cut it to length. So now I've got cut base. I need to put the marker where the top needs to go. So to mark that, I will just take the, oh dear, marking knife, tape measure and pencil. Okay, now I need to center this piece, so let's say it's okay. So that's where it's go. So we just press it down, mark it, messy line, and I'm going to use the marking knife to actually mark it as well. That will give me the, what that give me? That will give me the line where I can chisel to it. I can use the router to route that out. Yep, that'll be quicker. The router job. Now, when is most of the job done, I can use the chisel and just, and because I use the knife as well, so in theory I've got the, here we go, my line, how far I need to chisel to. This is done. Square, 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 and square. The joint looks pretty good. So I need to figure out how long that needs to be. So I measure it roughly where my marks want to be, and hopefully that will be good enough. Don't invite, don't touch any one to another, because when this one will be here, the another one, this one is finished here roughly. So in theory that maybe will be okay. So I marked it where to drill the holes. Now I need to drill the holes on some angle, and I will try to do that on my pillar drill. I set up my drill press, and I glue a piece of MDF on the double-sided tape, will give me the like angle to drill it, the hole, and that is, when I measure it, that's like 10 degrees. So I'm going to drill it for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 holes now. I've got the dowels, what they are 16 mil thickness, but the Forstner bit was only 15. So I just come to a conclusion, if I take my block plane, I just can plane it down. And then I've got, I had somewhere, I lost it, there it is. I've got 40 grit sandpaper, and basically I can just sand it, get rid of that little bit from the plane around it, and in theory, there we go, and now it's on. So I done that's one side, so that it's alright, and now I need to do it to the end, and then cut it to the size, and yeah, so that's how I downsizing after dowels. So yes, now we've got all the parts prepared. So we've got the bottom, what that's coming in it. We've got the dowels, but I need just to round the edges. So one. So that is our mug, 3-ish, and the mug going here. I've got another one here from coffee, that's going here. So one going under, one going on top. I need just to cut this a little bit off, like shorten it, maybe I will cut like angle or something, and then sand it down and obviously finish it. I don't know how I'm going to finish it, if I'm going to leave like pine look, or maybe I will burn it or something like that. I don't know yet, I will find out. But now I'm going to take this apart, sand it down, prepare for finish, and nearly done. So yeah, simple project. The probably quickest way will be to just to burn it and rid of that charcoal and varnish it. So that's what I'm going to do next. Burning. So after I burn it, I'm going to use it's like nylon, I think it's nylon brush thing. So I'm going to use that just to rid of the that soft charcoal, so that we rid that off and we'll make some like burn texture on it. And after that I'm basically going to put the coat of clear varnish to protect that, and that will be obviously, and I have to like glue it in as well, but that will be completed. So it's something like that, and I don't know if you will be able to see it, but it's like all the soft stuff been taken away, and you got a little bit like rip. I don't know if you can see down this camera, but I don't have another one. The one minus of that, it's dirty job. I am probably all dusty in that charcoal. So okay, I'm going clear that here, and I'm going back home to put the varnish on it. I painted that yesterday with the clear varnish, and it looks like that, so looks pretty well. I taped it the bottom and the socket, obviously where the glue will be in, and when I was painting I make sure the varnish don't go inside the hole where the dowels will go. So now I've got everything prepared. I just need to take the tape off, and oh, okay, it's here, and basically I need to glue up that together, and yeah, and that will be after glue dry out, the project should be finished. So I'm not putting any clamps on it. It's really stay like this, and everything what I need to do, oil the dowels what they are. I believe so that it's beech, made from beech, so they will stay in that color. And in fairy we've got the finish product. As you can see, it's simple project what you can build from offcuts or wherever, but it can give you some good practice, like accuracy to cut the joint easily, way you could just screw that from the bottom, no one will see it. And another way to mark it and basically set up the dowels. When you look at them, they are more or less in the same positions, so that for me, hobby woodwork, every project is giving me opportunity to practice and improve my skills. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to take this home to dry, and after I will finish this, I will try on the end put some photos. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next project.